Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get the Discord guild tag. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is join the guild archive server. Over here, you can join using the link by typing guild archive to join the server. After that, complete the verification process by selecting the language you speak and simply reacting to make your choice. Once you're done, you will gain access to the server. Then go to the guild's channel. Over here, you will find all the guild servers. Browse through the tags, find one you like and click on it. After that, click on join and fill out the application form. Then once you filled it out, click submit. After that, you need to wait for the guild owner to approve your application. So that's basically how you can get the Discord guild tag. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.